Bring them down quickly.
Watch the pile! Watch the pile!
Load the truck now.
Look at the root development on this one.
Absolutely pristine. The scanners should confirm genetic purity.
Using the robotic arm, we analyze the sandy soil, confirming a consistent nutrient profile vital for the coconut seedlings. This specialized machine ensures an even distribution of the organic material, crucial for the young coconut palm.
Look at the precision on that channel.
The new system is working perfectly.
This ensures the palms get the drainage they need.
The growth here is excellent, very healthy color.
Look at this new frond. It's establishing well.
The phosphorus levels are stabilizing right on target.
Yes, the automated delivery is precise.
Resource management is efficient. We have the manual sample secured.
Stand by for automated analysis. Probes are entering the water now.
Humidity levels are stabilizing perfectly.
And the ventilation response is nominal. Growth metrics look excellent.
The drone ensures consistent coverage, and the absorption rate has significantly improved since we started using this method.
By introducing these beneficial insects, we utilize an eco-friendly defense, maintaining the health of the plantation naturally. We look for these subtle rings of growth. They confirm steady progress and healthy structural development of the trunk.
The early flowering stage looks robust. Pollination is proceeding naturally.
Indeed, the consistent development here is crucial for the harvest.
The specialized machinery ensures optimal root respiration, crucial for the health of these young palms.
The algorithm flagged this cluster here. See the stress indicators on the high res? We need to verify this hotspot immediately.
The wind velocity is increasing on the east quadrant.
Adjusting irrigation schedule for Block 7.
This large-scale industrial rainwater harvesting system is actively collecting and channeling water.
The distribution looks consistent here. We need to maintain this rate.
Yes, the soil structure should improve significantly with this application.
The spathes look excellent, ready for the season.
Confirmed on the tablet, growth is optimal.
Pest-free canopy across the board.
Majestic coconut palms, now approximately 7 meters tall, display abundant clusters of growing green coconuts.
These ripening green coconuts are approaching the optimal stage for water. This is the perfect moment for harvesting the refreshing, nutrient-rich fruit.
High up on majestic coconut palms, now approximately 8 meters tall, clusters of coconuts begin to show a subtle transition from green.
This illustrates the continuous cycle of production, providing refreshing water from the younger fruits and versatile oil from the older ones.
The vibrant green fronds are precisely angled to maximize sunlight absorption. This efficient photosynthesis
Fruit ripening indicators show subtle color changes, signaling maturity for different products.
These young green coconuts are reaching optimal development, their plumpness indicating an abundance of refreshing.
The crowns look healthy, no signs of lethal yellowing.
Agreed. The nut quality is consistent across the board, ready for harvest.
These majestic coconut palms display a clear gradient of fruit maturity. Green coconuts for
Check the manifest for the third truck. It has the young greens.
Yes, heading straight to the new processing line.
Scene 63. The UV treatment chamber is a critical step, bathing each coconut in intense light to maintain absolute product purity.
The coconut water undergoes multi-stage purification in these gleaming stainless steel units. Advanced membranes ensure
The gentle heat treatment is working perfectly.
Sensors confirm the nutrient profile is maintained. Shelf life extended. In this sterile clean room, our automated aseptic filling line ensures that every bottle of coconut water remains completely free of contamination.
Check the alignment on that one. Looks good from here, passing. There's the reject.
Looks good. System is working perfectly.
The husking process is running smoothly. Keep the conveyor moving.
Check the pressure on unit 3. Looks stable. We are clear for the next stage.
Large industrial centrifugal separators spin at high speeds to meticulously separate remaining micro.
Look at the transparency. It meets the specification. Yes, completely crystal clear.
Vi ser båda av det sporantige fling förfrika hasi. Varje vekart des onski caution vid
Filled and sealed bottles of crystal clear model pure organic virgin coconut oil move along the conveyor.
Automated marking ensures a complete product history can be accessed, showcasing meticulous record keeping and quality control.
Look at the texture analysis here on screen 3.
Flawless. The robotic check is complete. We are clear for shipping.
The automated packing system precisely places bottles of crystal clear model organic coconut oil and
Check the seals on the coconut water.
looks good, no leaks.
Labels are aligned on the jars. Passing this lot.
This pallet goes to truck 4. Confirm the count.
All good here. We need the coconut water next. Check the traceability data for the organic oil. Batch 12.
The consumption on line 3 for the coconut water spiked again.
Yes, but the virgin oil stabilization process is showing 20% efficiency gains this quarter.
The new automated system is handling the husks perfectly.
Yes, this significantly boosts our recycling targets for the quarter.
This modern learning center ensures a highly skilled and knowledgeable workforce for our crystal clear model production line.
In the transport bay, precision robotics secure the organic virgin oil, maintaining integrity and
Final count complete.
Manifest check confirmed. We are cleared for dispatch.